Hello all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll look about speed cells on enter option. Before we get started, we'll first understand the usage of this option. Suppose if in case you are entering a data, for example, I'm entering student name and their marks. In order to make my data entry faster, I want Excel to read out to me as and when I enter the data. So that is the use of this speed cells on enter option. So this option is not directly available in the ribbon. You will have to add to the quick access toolbar. So just click on this drop down arrow and then go with this more commands option. From more commands option, just select all commands. Once you click on all commands, you can see that the list of commands appears over there. Now just drag down your scroll bar in order to find out speed cells on enter option. So we are almost there, and here is the option speed cells on enter. So select that particular option, click on add and then hit OK. So now I want Excel to read out as and when I enter. So make sure you click on the speed cells on enter button.
Cells will now be spoken on enter.
You can see that Excel is already giving you the message that after you enter the data, the details will be read out.
BGin.
You can see automatically Excel is reading out the data.
68, 95, 100.
Now, what happens is that one of the mistakes that we commit is, now I have entered the data, Excel has read out for me. I think that this option is no longer required for me. What I'll do, I'll remove from the quick access toolbar. So right click on that particular option and remove from quick access toolbar. But the next time when you open Excel, if you enter the data, you can see still Excel is reading out for you. Because that speed cells on enter is a toggle button. You'll have to click on that toggle button before you remove it from the quick access toolbar. Only then Excel will stop reading out. So I'll add back in the same way like how I added back before. You can see I'll show you the change. You can see that the speed cells on enter option will still be highlighted if you insert it back. So speed cells on and just click on this and click on add and then do OK. Now you can see that the speed cells on enter option is still highlighted because you're not clicked on it, which is this toggle button. So now it is speaking out
84.
So now just click on the toggle button.
Turned off speak on enter.
Now Excel has already given you the message that your data will be no longer read. So now if you give or type any data, you can see that Excel will stop it for you. So hope this video has helped to you. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to receive more updates.